Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain this slide is research and reading a second language. The first, bottom up and top down processing. The second, cinema theory and background knowledge. The third, the role of language and culture. The fourth, the power of expensive reading. And the last, adult literacy training. Next slide is types of written language. The first, non-function. There are reports, editorials, essays, and articles. Next, fiction, novels, short stories, circus, plays, poetry. The next letters, there are personal business. The next, greeting card. Next, diaries journal, memos, message, announcements, newspaper, journals, maps, manuals, menus, schedule.
My name is Muhammad Asman. I want to explain about characteristic of writing language. Number 1, performance. Number 2, processing time. Number 3, distance. Number 4, orthography. Number 5, complexity. Number 6, vocabulary. 7, formality.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain about the types of classroom reading performance. Variety of reading performance in the language classroom is derived more from the variety of texts, or refers to the list earlier in this chapter, to which you can expose students than from the variety of overt types of performance. Number 1 is oral and silent reading. Occasionally, you will have reason to ask a student to read orally. At the beginning and intermediate levels, oral reading can, first, serve as an evaluative check on bottom-up processing skills. Second, double as a pronunciation check. And the last, serve to aid some extra student participation if you want to highlight a certainly short segment of a reading passage. For advanced levels, usually only advantage can be gained by reading orally. As a rule of thumb, you want to use oral reading to serve these three purposes because the disadvantage of too much oral readings can easily come into play. First, oral reading is not a very authentic language activity. The second, while one student is reading, others can easily lose attention or be silently rehearsing the next paragraph. And the last is, it may have the outward appearance of student participation when in reality it is more recitation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Rabiatul Adawiyah. Now I will explain the last slide. Principle for designing interactive reading techniques. Number 1, in an interactive curriculum, make sure that you don't overlook the importance of specific instruction in reading skills. Number 2, use techniques that are intrinsically motivating. Number 3, balance authenticity and readability in choosing text. Number 4, encourage the development of reading strategies. Number 5, include both bottom-up and top-down techniques. Number 6, follow the SQ3R sequence. Number 7, subdivide your techniques into pre-reading, during reading, and after reading praise. Number 8, build in some evaluative aspect to your techniques. I think that's all we can explain